I'm Mona Shanae, and welcome to Unboxed, where I explore ideas, innovations, and insights to equip you for tomorrow. Today, I'm diving into something that might seem technical, but actually is deeply connected to our planet and our future: how to build sustainable websites. Yes, the very websites we use every day have an environmental impact, and by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to make yours better for both people and the planet. So let's get into it. First, let's talk about why this matters. Did you know that every time that you load a web page, data servers across the world are working hard to deliver the page to you? All that energy just adds up. In fact, internet usage contributes to roughly 1 to 2% of global carbon emissions, similar to the airline industry. So a sustainable website isn't just about looking good or working fast. It's about reducing the environmental footprint of your digital presence. And it's not just ethical, it's practical. Faster, leaner websites mean happier users, better search rankings, and even low hosting costs. Consider this. Every extra second your page takes to load increases bounce rates. People click away, and the servers working harder means more energy. By designing smarter, you can make a real difference. Now let's break down the principles. There are 3 main areas we focus on: energy efficiency, performance optimization, and mindful content. Let's start off with energy efficiency. Choose green hosting. Some web hosts run entirely on renewable energy or offset their carbon footprint. For example, companies like Green Geeks, Echo Web Hosting, or A2 Hosting are making this a core part of their business. And then there is performance optimization. Smaller files, compressed images, and leaner code equals less energy consumed per page load. Think of it like packing light for a trip. The less you carry, the easier it is for you to travel. For websites, the less data you transfer, the less energy is needed. And lastly, there's mindful content. Every extra image, video, or heavy animation increases the site's carbon footprint. Ask yourself, does this media add value? If yes, keep it. If no, trim it. This isn't about making sites boring. It's about intentional design. And here's some other practical tips. Using caching or content delivery networks, aka CDNs, to reduce server workloads. That's a good one. Limit unnecessary plugins and scripts. Always a great thing to do. Choose eco-friendly fonts and avoid excessive animations that require extra processing. Let's look at some examples. A lot of large brands are already doing this. For instance, the UK government's digital service has built sites with accessibility and sustainability in mind. Fast, functional, and minimalist. Smaller businesses can follow suit. One example is a local eco-fashion brand I researched. They reduced their homepage by 60%, simplified their navigation, and switched to green hosting. The result? Their site loads 3 times faster, customer engagement improved, and they reduced their digital carbon footprint significantly. Sustainability isn't just for tech giants, it's accessibility to everyone willing to prioritize efficiency and intentional design. So how do you know if your site is sustainable? Luckily, there are tools to measure your digital footprint. One of them is Website Carbon Calculator. It shows the estimated carbon emissions per page view. And then there's EcoGrader, grades your website sustainability and proves actionable tips. And lastly, there's Google PageSpeed Insights. While mainly for performance, it's a great indicator of energy efficiency. Faster pages are usually greener pages. Using these tools can benchmark your site, make improvements, and track your progress over time. And it's motivating to see numbers improve as you optimize. So what's next? Sustainability and website design is becoming even more mainstream. Expect AI-driven optimization to help automatically reduce file sizes, recommend more efficient code, and even suggest energy-saving media. But here's a note. We might also be seeing stricter regulations. Some countries are already talking about digital carbon labeling, sort of like food packaging, but for websites. Imagine browsing the web and seeing a small icon showing your impact of your page per view. It might sound futuristic, but it's coming, and you as an early adopter will have a competitive edge if you Start today. But before we wrap up, here are some quick wins that you can implement today. Audit your images and compress them. Remove old unused plugins. Choose green hosting. Limit audio playing videos or animations. And test your page speed and aim for under 3 seconds. Even small changes can collectively make a big difference, both for the planet and for your users. And that's a wrap on building a sustainable website. I'm Mona Shanae, and I hope this episode has been giving you practical ways to reduce your digital footprint, improve your site's performance, and contribute to a greener future. Keep on unboxing the ideas that matter. And next time, I'll explore another topic that equips you for tomorrow. Thanks for listening.